Hi everyone! So today we're going to talk about masks. Here's some examples, and as you can see, they're all very different. Just by looking at them, you can tell they all look very different. But they also have many different purposes and functions. So masks are used for disguise or hiding an identity, like a superhero character or a video game character. Or they are used for protection, like in sports and this helmet type of mask. And then they're also used for costumes or entertainment, or for ritual or spiritual purposes. And this is a cool video you can watch that talks about different masks that are made and how they're used in Bali, Indonesia, because they have very specific and different purposes. So watch that video, and something that we can do is think about a mask that we would want to make that could tell a story, because artists many times tell stories just through the art that they make. So think about things that you could add on the mask. You could paint or draw on any designs, or you can add on some sculptural parts like these features over here, and they could be very simple or very complex. And then you also want to think about, would you want to wear the mask, or would you want it to be hanging up on a wall or standing up on a base? Because this would be functional and this would be non-functional. So another thing to think about are the eyes. So the eyes are important because you want to think about the emotion that the eyes are giving. So different facial features seen here show that these different eyes might look different based on the emotion of this face and the facial expression. These eyes look very squinted, so it looks like just a line and they're just closed. And then these eyes look sad, so they're kind of drooped down. So think about that and how you want the mask, what facial expression you want your mask to have. You can also cut out the eyes or draw on the eyes, so it's very open-ended. So also think about the face shape. You could do a triangle, an oval, a circle, or a rectangle shape. Or you can just think of a shape that you've come up with yourself. So if you want to plan out a design for a mask that you could make, just grab a piece of paper and draw out an oval, or you could draw out the shape that you would have your mask in. And here's an example where you see that this person has drawn on the details like the eyes and the different features that they would want to add onto a mask before they made it. So to recap, think about the functionality of your mask. Would you want to wear it or hanging on a wall? You think about the eyes and how they show the different emotions. So what shape do you want your eyes to be? And think about the face shape and any added parts or details that you'd want to add on your mask, like horns, teeth, wings, hair, scales, or petals. So if you want to keep going and actually building a mask, after thinking about it and drawing it out, you can watch Miss Hamill's video, and she talks about a mask that she made and her process. And here's some more ways to connect the cardboard and different techniques that you can use. So there's the flange technique, slot technique, the curve technique, the tabs, and these are very helpful in constructing a mask. So if you're interested and actually want to make the mask, you can use very simple materials at home, like a cereal box, and watch Miss Hamill's video where she talks about that in more in detail. Thank you.